The tale of Volvo CE is as age-old, fascinating and vibrant as its machines. Here's a glance at the folds of its history that proves sticking to the goal made success inevitable. It was back in 1832 that the history of Volvo CE began to take shape, making it one of the oldest pioneers in the construction machinery industry. Johan Theofron Munktell was commissioned by the city of Eskilstuna, Sweden, to establish an engineering workshop to advance the local mechanical industry. From there, the base of his company was set. Pre-tractor era. Munktell's experience was unmatched. He developed Sweden's first mechanical loom, harvester, and steam locomotive, and designed the heating systems for all of Sweden's prisons. Before establishing the groundwork for Volvo CE, Munktell also modernised Sweden's minting machinery. When he moved to Eskilstuna, he was succeeded by another skilled engineer, Jean Bolinder. Along with his younger brother Carl Gerhard, Bolinder travelled to England to study engineering technology. Upon returning, the brothers decided to start their own company. Tractor's entry and ahead. In 1906, even before the tractor era, Munktell crafted his first construction machinery, a steam-powered road roller. His pioneering spirit continued with the creation of Sweden's first tractor in 1913. Since 1927, when it was formed, Volvo has evolved from a modest local business into a global leader in commercial transport and infrastructure solutions. Their product range now includes trucks, buses, construction equipment, and drive systems for marine and industrial applications. By 1932, Munktell's and Bolinder's companies joined forces to form AB Bolinder Munktell, a key milestone in their journey. This partnership paved the way for future expansion, culminating in Volvo's acquisition of AB Bolinder Munktell in 1950. Meanwhile, across the Atlantic, 1994 marked the establishment of Highway Equipment and Supply Company in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, as a branch of Highway Equipment Company of Pittsburgh. Initially focused on concrete mixers, water pumps, air tools, and large Lima cranes and shovels, the company expanded its operations, relocating to a larger facility to better serve its growing parts, service departments, and sales teams. Keeping up with the same pace of growth, in 1951, the company moved again to a bigger facility in eastern Harrisburg and became a Michigan wheel loader dealer in 1955. Over the years, Highway represented more manufacturers, including the Gradall Company, formerly Warner and Swayze, Cleveland Trencher, and Allied Steel and Tractor Products. Highway opened branch offices in Drums in 1960, Lock Haven in 2006, and Brownstown in 2009. Volvo purchases AB Bolinder Munktell. A century after Munktell's start in Eskilstuna, Bolinder himself moved to Eskilstuna, and both companies merged under the name AB Bolinder Munktell, which was later purchased by Volvo in 1950. This was the game-changing step by Volvo that was going to take it to the next level. After the acquisition, 1954 became a monumental year for the company, as it established itself as a leader in construction equipment by producing its first wheel loader H10. The H10 was revolutionary, being the first to feature a parallel lift arm system and attachment bracket. The company continued innovating, developing combinations of driven hauler trailers and tractors. In 1966, they launched the world's first series-manufactured articulated hauler with all-wheel drive, further solidifying their position as pioneers in the construction equipment industry. Then in 1972, Volvo introduced ROPS-certified cabs, a unique structure designed to protect the operator if the machine overturned. Just a year later, in 1973, AB Bolinder Munktell was renamed Volvo BM, marking a significant rebranding effort. Laser focus on construction machinery. The late 70s saw a magnificent strategic shift. In 1977, Volvo decided to focus solely on construction machinery, moving away from the forestry and agricultural sectors. This shift paved the way for a partnership with American manufacturer Clark Equipment in 1985, integrating into the VME group and opening doors to the American market. In 1982, they expanded their hauler line with the acquisition of AB Kokum Landsverk, adding rigid haulers. The formation of the VME Group in 1985 incorporated the Volvo BM, Michigan, and Euclid brand names, strengthening its market presence. The acquisition spree continued with Zettelmeyer Baumaschinen GmbH in 1990, adding compact wheel loaders, and Ockermans Werkstad AB in 1991, introducing excavators to their product range. Volvo CE. An even bigger breakthrough happened in the year 1995. VME became a fully owned Volvo company and changed its name to Volvo Construction Equipment, Volvo CE. The same year, the compact excavator line was extended through the acquisition of Pelljob. In 1997, Volvo CE initiated its road range with the launch of the motor grader line and the acquisition of Champion Road Machinery. The following year, in 1998, Volvo CE acquired the construction equipment division of Samsung Heavy Industries. The new century. Finally, in 2002, Volvo CE launched a new in-house designed backhoe loader. Kicking off the new century with a bold expansion, Volvo CE introduced a fresh range of backhoe loaders and made a powerful statement with the release of the EC700B excavator in 2005, a heavy-duty 10-ton class machine. This move was part of a broader commitment to innovation and environmental stewardship, highlighted by their introduction of an integrated electric-diesel hybrid concept that same year. Volvo CE's drive for progress didn't stop with hybrid technology. By 2007, they further strengthened their global presence through strategic acquisitions, including the Chinese company Lingong and Ingersoll Rand's road construction division. As they moved into 2014, Volvo CE continued to set industry standards. They launched the world's first full-suspension articulated hauler and expanded their portfolio with the acquisition of Terex's hauler business. Their commitment to sustainability was also evident with the launch of the Construction Climate Challenge (CCC), an initiative aimed at fostering environmental responsibility across the entire construction industry value chain. In 2016, Volvo CE once again made headlines with the introduction of the world's largest articulated hauler, the Volvo A60H, further proving its leadership and innovation in the construction machinery sector. Volvo Co-Pilot Interface. Volvo is dedicated to working closely with its customers to drive continuous productivity improvements. Their excavators feature several innovative enhancements, such as automatic engine shutdown and auto-idle functions to boost fuel efficiency alongside ergonomic and intuitive controls that enhance operator productivity. In 2018, they took a great step forward with the launch of Dig Assist, an intuitive machine control system integrated with the Volvo Co-Pilot interface. This system allows operators to easily input job specifications and monitor work progress, streamlining the excavation process. Building on their commitment to maximize equipment uptime, Volvo introduced proactive machine monitoring in 2016. This service offers remote machine monitoring managed by a team of data analysts at Volvo's Uptime Centre in Ghent, Belgium, ensuring that potential issues are identified and addressed promptly to keep operations running smoothly. The momentum continued into 2017, with Volvo CE unveiling the Volvo Co-Pilot system and presenting a suite of cutting-edge concepts at the Exploration Forum in Eskilstuna. Highlights included the LX01 hybrid wheel loader and the HX01, an autonomous battery electric load carrier. Focus on electric power. Their focus on electrification remained strong as they showcased the next generation electric load carrier concept, the HX02 and the EX02, a fully electric compact excavator prototype. The year also saw Volvo CE's collaboration with Skanska on the electric site research project, culminating in the creation of the world's first emissions-free quarry. 2019 proved to be a landmark year, marked by significant acquisitions and the introduction of a new range of electric compact excavators and wheel loaders, which were later highlighted at Bauma. Additionally, Volvo CE, in partnership with Telia and Ericsson, launched Sweden's first 5G network for industrial use at their facility in Eskilstuna, pushing the boundaries of connectivity and technology in the construction industry. In 2020, they lived by their commitment to sustainability by making two electric compact machines commercially available, the ECR25 Electric and the L25 Electric. This move followed their previous unveiling of next-generation concept machines, including a fully electric excavator and an electric compact wheel loader. Fuel Cell Test Lab. Building on their advancements, 2021 was a landmark year for Volvo CE. They launched the Fuel Cell Test Lab to explore hydrogen fuel cell technology, a crucial step towards future energy solutions. The year also saw the addition of a single-drum asphalt compactor and the first real-world example of a self-learning wheel loader to their autonomous machinery lineup. They expanded their electric offerings with 3 more electric compact machines now available for reservation online, positioning Volvo CE as the manufacturer with the largest range of battery-powered machines. Additionally, they introduced the world's first vehicle made of fossil-free steel and committed to science-based targets, underlining their dedication to achieving the goals of the Paris Agreement. As of 2022, industry developments continue to shape the landscape, such as Sandvik choosing CAT HVO-capable engines to cut CO2 emissions, and Bravo platforms showing steady growth, preparing for a strong finish to the year with a significant investment portfolio on the horizon. And here we reach the end of this documentary. Share your thoughts in the comments below about the rich history of Volvo CE, and remember to hit the subscribe button for more amazing updates on an insane machine that you always love to watch. See you in the next one.